11:30 a.m. 7/25/2026. This is a song to get you through the day.